Here's how to perform a BIOS flashback on your ASUS motherboard in less than 3 minutes. Get a USB drive that is more than 2 GB. Insert the drive in a USB port on your PC. You need to format the drive in FAT32, so the drive shouldn't be more than 32 GB to be able to do this on your Windows PC. And choose a drive that you don't need the information on because the format is gonna wipe it completely. So under this PC in your computer, right-click the USB drive and choose Format. And here choose under File System FAT32. Under Allocation Unit Size, choose Default Allocation Size and keep everything else by default and click on Start. And then click on OK. And now the format is complete. Now you need to head to ASUS website. So open any web browser and then go to asus.com. In asus.com, hover over Support and then click on Support. Click on Download Center. On the left, next to Model, put the model of your motherboard. My motherboard is TUF Gaming B850M-E. And then in the list, choose your motherboard. Make sure to choose the correct motherboard. So here it is for me. Now on the right, click on Driver and Tools, scroll, and then click on BIOS and Firmware. And here's the BIOS file. Click on Download. The file will be downloaded. Go to the Downloads folder where it was downloaded by clicking this icon, and you need to extract it. Right-click on it, and then choose Extract All, and then choose Extract. And here's the file extracted. You need now to run BIOS Renamer. Double-click BIOS Renamer, and then press any key to continue. So you see that the BIOS file was now renamed. Right-click on it, choose Copy, and then go to the USB drive, and you need to paste it in the root folder of the USB drive. So this is the USB drive, and here simply right-click and then choose Paste. And now we need to take the USB drive and head to our ASUS computer. On the PC that has the ASUS motherboard, make sure that it is turned off, the power supply connected, and the power supply on-off button is turned to on. And then on the back of the PC, identify the USB port that is for the BIOS. It will be labeled BIOS like this one here. Now insert the drive that has the BIOS file into the port that is identified as BIOS. Before performing the BIOS flashback, you need to be aware of two things. The first thing is that when you do the BIOS flashback, all the settings that you had already on your BIOS will be reset to their default settings. And the second thing is that while the BIOS flashback is taking place, you shouldn't touch the PC, not turn it on, not turn it off, not disconnect it, nothing. Otherwise, you might damage your BIOS. Now, there's this button that is also on the back of the motherboard. It's called BIOS flashback. You need to press and hold it for 3 seconds until the LED light starts blinking. And then release it, and then wait for the PC to finish the BIOS flashback. It will take approximately 3 minutes. The operation will finish when the LED light turns off completely. And now the BIOS flashback finished and the operation was successful. If you like this video, please share it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. See you in the next video.